Newly built and impeccably maintained, this stunning home is located in Happy Valley's Pioneer Highlands. It's a highly desirable neighborhood close to parks, shopping, restaurants, and just a block from Scouters Mountain Nature Park, a perfect place to hike, take in the views, or picnic. From the gorgeous landscaped yard to the beautifully designed covered front porch, no detail is overlooked. Enjoy a flowing, open floor plan with built-ins, high ceilings, and an inviting fireplace. Gorgeous wood floors lead to the large kitchen with quartz, granite, stainless steel appliances, an artistic backsplash, and a walk-in pantry. The butler's pantry opens to the formal dining room with elegant wainscoting. Double doors open to the main floor office or fifth bedroom. On the upper level, the luxurious primary bedroom suite includes a spacious open bath with a standalone tub, large shower, and a huge walk-in closet. This home of more than 3,200 square feet has a large bonus room, ready for game or movie night. Plus 3 more bedrooms and another full bath. Unwind in the hardscaped backyard while listening to the water feature. Dining on the patio. Relaxing by the fire pit. Or gathering with friends under the gazebo, all designed with privacy in mind. An exceptional home in a sought-after neighborhood. It's all here ready for you to call home. To schedule your own personal tour, please contact Steve Nassar at 503-805-5582 or email steve@nassarteam.com. For financing options, please contact Carrie Benshoff with Director's Mortgage.